Hello everybody. I think it's not possible if am saying we can make curry chicken with two ingredients. Yes, it is possible. I have boneless breast. I cut it in cube right here. Put it in the pot. No need oil. The second ingredient's the key. Here you go, tikka masala. I got both these ingredients from Aldi. So let's start cooking. Put a whole container inside the chicken and half container water. Mix very well. Put the lid on and see the magic later. Two ingredients and chicken curry is ready. Let's check the curry. Ooh, looks yummy. Need a little more time. I'll see you a little bit later. At the end, just add a little bit of salt as your taste and mix it. Our chicken is done, so just decorate with green cilantro. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.